Hello students, this is my new video on question number 5. Very simple and easy question again, and it reads that line L is bisector of angle A. See, this is angle A and line L bisects it. So when it bisects means these two angles are equal to each other. If you need me to draw the diagram again, I'll draw it for you. Okay, now this is angle A and this is the bisector of angle A, line L. Say this is Q and this is P. They both are perpendicular. This is B and this is A point. And B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars, as we have drawn here. BP and BQ are perpendiculars. From B to the arms of angle A. Show that. So first we will note down the given quantities. It is given that L bisects angle A. So we can write here L bisects angle A. That is, or therefore, angle QAB is equal to angle PAB. And also angle BQA is equal to angle BPA is equal to 90 degree. It is given to us. Now to prove, first is triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. Let us take some more space over here. Okay. First, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and second we have to prove BP is equal to BQ. So starting with the proof, in triangle APB and triangle AQB, now this triangle and this triangle, okay, angle BPA is equal to angle BQA, that is equal to 90 degree, and it is a given quantity. First, second, it is given that angle A is bisected, so we can write angle PAB is equal to angle QAB. Again, it is a given quantity. And we can take third as AB is equal to AB, common side. So we can say by angle side, by angle side, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB,
एवरेज निकालने के लिए दोनों को
and
divide by 2
therefore
करके divide by 2 बिना कंप्यूटर के.
and therefore, so this is first bit we have proved. So we can write by CPCT of these two triangles, okay, BP is equal to BQ. This is the proof of second sum also, second bit. Okay, so this is question number 5. Let us move to question number 6 now.